Hello, dear students. I am Amrapali Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Mahatma Phule, Arts, Commerce, and Sitaramji Chaudhary, Science Mahavidyalaya, Varud. So, students, we have completed our third unit, Solid-State Electronic Devices 1. And today we are going to start our unit 4, which is Solid-State Electronics Devices 2. This unit 4 carry total 12 marks in the examination of third semester of BSc second year. This is the first lecture of unit 4. In this unit we will discuss about bipolar junction transistor BJT, NPN transistor, PNP transistor, working of NPN transistor and working of PNP transistor. Bipolar junction transistor BJT. A bipolar junction transistor is a 3-terminal semiconducting device and consists of two back-to-back PN junctions produced in a single piece of semiconductor. It is the short form of two words, transfer and resistor. So students, BJT is a single piece of semiconductor in which two back-to-back PN junctions are produced. ओके, दोन PN जंक्शन्स बॅक टू बॅक मागे पुढे ते कनेक्टेड असतात. त्यामुळे इथे आपल्याला 3 टर्मिनल्स असा एक सेमीकंडक्टिंग डिव्हाइस मिळतो आणि त्याला BJT म्हणजे बायपोलर जंक्शन ट्रान्झिस्टर असे म्हणतात. बायपोलर जंक्शन्स म्हणजे ह्या 3 टर्मिनल्समुळे आपल्याला 2 जंक्शन्स मिळतात, म्हणून त्याला बायपोलर जंक्शन ट्रान्झिस्टर असे म्हणतात. And transistor, the word transistor is short form of transfer and resistor. Transfers the current and resistors the flow of current. BJT दोन प्रकारे वर्क करतो. एक तर करंट ट्रान्सफर करतो आणि दुसरा करंटला रेजिस्ट करतो. त्याच्यामुळे इट परफॉर्म्स टू functions, transfer the current and resist the current. Hence it is a short form for these two words, transfer and resistor. The device is known as BJT, bipolar junction transistor, because it is operated on the flow of both charge carriers, electrons and holes. The amplification is achieved with the help of this device by passing a signal from low resistance region to high resistance region. Since it has two junctions, one is low resistance junction and second is high resistance junction. Hence, the amplification is achieved in this transistor. The 3 terminals of transistor. In BJT or transistor, there are 3 terminals: emitter, base and third is collector. So what is emitter? This region is heavily doped than other regions. दोनपेक्षा याच्यामध्ये जे चार्ज कॅरियर्स असतात, मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियर्स यामध्ये जास्त असतात. हॅन्स इट इज हेविली डोप्ड. इट्स मेन फंक्शन is to supply majority charge carriers to base. The main function is to supply charge carriers to base. 3 टर्मिनल्स असतात. एमिटरचं काम असते जे मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियर्स असतात त्यांना बेसपर्यंत सप्लाय करण्याचं. ओके, next is base. So what is base? It is a central region of the transistor. This region is lightly doped. It is very thin as compared to emitter or collector. It is a very thin region of transistor, hence it contains a less number of charge carriers. Okay, next is collector. The area of this region is slightly greater than the area of emitter. Its main function is to collect the majority charge carriers. The large area of collector region prevents excessive recombination of electrons and holes in base. Collector is a biggest region in the transistor. Okay, as a main function काय आहे? To collect the majority charge carriers from base. बेसमध्ये जे चार्ज कॅरियर्स असतात तिथनं चार्ज कॅरियर्सला तो कलेक्ट करतो. ओके, see here, these are the graphical representation of transistor. We can see the two transistors are stacked and compressed. We get the three terminals. This terminal is called emitter, and this terminal is called as base region, and this terminal is called as collector region. ठीक आहे. जर emitter region मध्ये emitter region is made up of p type of semiconductor, then emitter region contains the majority charge carrier holes, and base region, where base region is made up of n type of semiconductor, then the base region contains the charge carriers electrons, and the collector region is also contains the charge carriers holes. Okay, so transistor is nothing but the we can say the transistor is made up of by placing one semiconductor as a sandwich in between the two same type of semiconductors. We can say this is this type of semiconductor is called as PNP ट्रान्झिस्टर. ओके, याच्यामध्ये काय असते, दोन पी टाईप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर आहे आणि त्यांच्या मधातमध्ये एन टाईप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर हा ॲज अ सँडविच म्हणून वापरला गेला आहे. ओके, सिमिलरली जर इथे इमिटर रिजनमध्ये या टाईप दिस टाईप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर इज कॉल्ड ॲज NPN ट्रान्झिस्टर. यामध्ये इमिटर रिजनमध्ये एन टाईप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर असतो, कलेक्टर रिजनमध्ये एन टाईप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर असतो आणि त्या दोघांच्या मधात सँडविच म्हणून पी टाईप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर असतो. ओके, दिस इज इमिटर रिजन, दिस इज कलेक्टर रिजन अँड दिस इज द पी टाईप ऑफ बेस रिजन. Hence, emitter contains the electrons as a majority charge carrier, and collector contains the electrons as which collects the majority charge carrier from the electron holes recombination in the base region. Types of bipolar junction transistor. So there are two types of transistor. One is PNP transistor and second is NPN transistor. This is a diagram of NPN transistor and this is the circuit diagram. This is circuit diagram of PNP transistor. Okay, this is emitter region, this is base region and this is collector region. डायग्राममध्ये तुम्ही बघू शकता इथे ॲरोचा जो पॉइंटर आहे तो कसा इनवर्ड आहे. ओके, द ॲरो ऑफ द पॉइंटर इज डायरेक्टेड इनवर्ड इन द सर्किट डायग्राम. So we can say that the conventional current जो करंट सप्लाय होतो तो इमिटर रिजनपासून तर बेस रिजनपर्यंत ओके, त्या डायरेक्शनमध्ये तो फ्लो करतो. द कन्व्हेन्शनल करंट इज फ्लो फ्रॉम एमिटर टू बेस. Also, the charge carriers are also flows from the emitter to base. Okay, this arrow indicates that the current flows from emitter region to base region and then base to collector region. Okay, and the second type is NPN transistor. In NPN transistor, this is the emitter region, this is base region, and this is collector region. And this is the circuit diagram or symbolic representation of the NPN transistor in the circuit diagram. The arrow, the pointer of the arrow is outward. This pointer is outward in direction, which implies that the conventional flow of current is from base region to emitter region. The conventional flow of the current is from base region to emitter region. So these are the two types of transistors. One is PNP transistor, second is NPN transistor. Now, construction of PNP transistor. In PNP transistor, N type of semiconductor is sandwiched between P type of semiconductor. In the symbol of PNP transistor, the arrow ahead is towards the base of the transistor. The arrow is towards the base of the transistor. This arrow indicates that the direction of conventional current is from E to B. Current emitter region to base region च्या डायरेक्शनमध्ये फ्लो होणार. ओके, in PNP transistor, the function of emitter is to emit and inject holes into base. The function of base is to push most of the holes emitted by emitter into the collector region. So base is lightly doped and it is very thin region. Very few holes recombine with electrons in this base region. The function of the collector is to collect holes pushed through base region. In order to collect more number of holes and to prevent excessive recombination of holes and electrons in the base region, the area of collector region is made physically larger than the emitter region. Arrow on emitter terminal is pointing inwards, showing the direction of conventional current when emitter base junction is forward biased. Now, construction of NPN transistor. In NPN transistor, P type of semiconductor is sandwiched between the N type of semiconductor. This P type of semiconductor is sandwiched between N type of semiconductor. The arrow indicates that the conventional current flows from base region to emitter region. The conventional current flows from base region to emitter region. Okay, this is diagram of NPN transistor, and this is a symbolic representation in circuit diagram. In NPN transistor, the function of emitter is to emit and inject electrons into base. Hence, the emitter region is heavily doped. The direction of conventional current is always opposite to the direction of flow of electron. The direction of conventional current is always opposite to direction of flow of electrons. Currents flow always इलेक्ट्रॉनच्या अपोजिट असते, डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्सच्या अपोजिट असते. ओके, हेन्स इन NPN transistor arrow on emitter is pointing outward, showing the direction of conventional current when emitter base junction is forward biased. The function of base is to push most of the electrons emitted by emitter into the collector region, so base is lightly doped. The function of collector is to collect electrons pushed through, prevent excessive recombination of electrons and holes in base region. The area of collector region is made physically larger than the emitter region. जेव्हा पण डायग्राम काढाल तुम्ही, you should draw the collector region larger than the emitter. या डायग्राममध्ये जसं इमिटर हा छोटा है as compared to collector region, since emitter region is always heavily doped, but collector region collects the charge carriers from this emitter region and base region. Hence this collector region is physically larger than both of this two regions. Okay, now working of NPN transistor. This is a circuit diagram of NPN transistor. This is emitter region, this is base region, and this is collector region. This is a NPN transistor. So emitter region contains N type of semiconductor, base region contains P type of semiconductor, and collector region contains N type of semiconductor. So as it is N type of semiconductor, the charge carriers are electrons. This black colored circle or hole, black colored circles are electrons, these are holes, and these are electrons. So emitter contains the heavily doped electrons, base region contains the holes, and collector contains the electrons. Now, as the NPN transistor is the there are three terminals, one emitter, second base, and the third is collector. इथे 3 टर्मिनल्स असतात. तर ह्या 3 टर्मिनल्स मिळून आपल्याला 2 जंक्शन्स मिळतात. वन इज इमिटर बेस्ड जंक्शन अँड सेकंड इज कलेक्टर बेस्ड जंक्शन. ओके, त्यामुळे इथे आपल्याला 2 वेगवेगळे वोल्टेज अप्लाय करावं लागते. In working of NPN transistor, there are 2 types of voltage applied in 2 junctions of the NPN transistor. This is a voltage applied to emitter based junction. हा emitter based junction करता हा voltage applied केलेला आहे VEB. And this is a collector based junction. So the voltage applied to this junction is VCB. Now, the negative terminal of the voltage is connected to the emitter region, and the positive terminal of the voltage is connected to the base region. As emitter contains electrons, electrons are negatively charged, and this is also negative terminal of the battery or voltage. Okay, and these holes are positively charged, and this is a positively charged terminal of the battery. So the electrons are moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. Okay, so electrons move from this direction and the holes move from this direction. And as we know, current flows opposite direction of the electron. Electrons च्या डायरेक्शनच्या अपोजिट डायरेक्शनमध्ये करंट फ्लो होतो. सो करंट आपला कसा मूव्ह होणार, ह्या डायरेक्शनमध्ये. सो एमिटरमधनं ड्यू टू दी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन दी एमिटर रिजन द करंट प्रोड्यूस्ड इज कॉल्ड ॲज एमिटर करंट. ह्या रिजनपासून आपल्याला एमिटर करंट मिळतो. देन द करंट ड्यू टू दी होल्स इन दी बेस रिजन इज कॉल्ड ॲज बेस करंट. तसंच इथे इन दिस collector base junction the negative terminal of battery is connected to the base terminal or base region and the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the collector region. So from this connection we can say that the collector base region is always reversed bias, since the current can directly flow from the positive terminal of battery to the negative terminal of towards the negative sides of the electrons. Okay, current flow होता है बॅटरीमधनं कलेक्टर रिजनकडे. ओके, अँड याच्यामध्ये अँड दिस इज द इमिटर बेस रिजन. इमिटर बेस रिजन और जंक्शन इज ऑलवेज फॉरवर्ड बायस्ड. आपण युनिट 1मध्ये शिकलेलं आहोत. वी हॅव स्टडीड इन युनिट 1 what is forward bias condition and reverse bias region. When the semiconductor is connected, when positive type of semiconductor connected to the positive terminal of the battery and the negative type of semiconductor connected to the negative type of battery, the connection is called as forward biased. And when negative terminal of battery is connected to the positive terminal of positive type of semiconductor and the positive terminal of battery is connected to negative type of semiconductor, then it is called as reversed biased. Hence you should remember that emitter based junction is always forward bias and the collector based junction is reversed bias. Okay, this is circuit diagram of PNP transistor. PNP or NPN, NPN transistor. This is the circuit diagram of NPN transistor. In NPN transistor, emitter base junction is forward biased. We can show from battery B for EB, emitter base. Collector base junction is reversed bias, shown by the battery VCB. Under the forward biased condition of emitter based junction, since emitter is heavily doped N region, the number of electrons flow towards base. This gives the emitter current IE. Base is lightly doped p-type thin region. So when electron flows towards base, very few electrons, about 2%, recombines with holes, creating valence electrons. These valence electrons flow through holes into base terminal, which gives the base current IB. The remaining electrons passes, which are about 98%, passes towards collector region, and this gives the collector current IC. The collector has large area, so almost all electrons crossing base are collected by the collector except very few through base. So the emitter current IE is equal to the sum of the base and collector currents. That is, emitter current is equals to collector current plus base current. So we can say that emitter current is more than the current collector current and the base current. In fact, it is the addition of these two currents. As the emitter base junction is forward bias, it offers low resistance, while collector base junction is reversed bias. It offers high resistance. Hence, the small input signal current from input side having low resistance is transferred to output side having high resistance. So by Ohm's law, when small signal is transferred from low value resistance to high value resistance, we get amplification action from this device. Hence, this device is given the name transistor. The E to B junction is the low resistance junction, and collector base junction, that is CB junction, is high resistance as it is reversed bias. Hence, this device is given the name transistor. Now, working of PNP transistor. This is diagram of PNP transistor. This is emitter region, which is of P type of semiconductor. This base region is of N type of semiconductor, and the collector region is made by P type of semiconductor. N type of semiconductor, P type of semiconductor, that is emitter region, contains holes as majority charge carrier. Base contains electrons as majority charge carriers, and the collector contains holes as the majority charge carrier. There are two types of junctions. One is emitter base junction, this side, left side, and second is the collector base junction, the right side. Emitter base junction, where the voltage is applied, the positive terminal of the voltage is connected to emitter region, and the negative type of voltage is negative terminal of the voltage is connected to the base region. Okay, so as the emitter contains holes and this is a positive terminal of the terminal of voltage, so there is a repulsion, so holes are moved from this direction to this direction. This is negative type of terminal of battery or voltage, and this is electrons, which is also negative type. Hence, electrons move from this direction. Okay, but current moves in opposite direction. Electron moves from this to this direction. Okay, but current moves in opposite direction. Hence, current moves from emitter to base region. Current moves from emitter to base region, and the current due to the current due to emitter region is called as emitter current, and the current which is due to base region is called as base current. Now in collector base, this is forward biased condition of emitter base junction. In emitter base junction there is forward bias condition, and collector base junction always contains the reverse bias condition. Okay, where the positive terminal of the battery is connected to base and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to collector. Hence, electrons move from this direction and holes move from this direction. होल्स ह्या डायरेक्शनने मूव होतात, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ह्या डायरेक्शननी पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनल ऑफ बॅटरीकडे मूव्ह होतं अँड द कन्व्हेन्शनल करंट मूव्ह फ्रॉम collector to voltage. Conventional current moves from collector to voltage. Okay, hence it is a reverse bias condition. This is the circuit diagram of the PNP transistor. Now, in working of PNP transistor, emitter based junction is forward biased, collector based junction is reversed biased. Since emitter is heavily doped P region, under the forward biased condition of emitter based junction, number of holes flow towards base. This gives emitter current IE. Now base is lightly doped N-type thin region. So when holes flow towards base, very few holes, about 2%, recombines in the base region. The recombined holes produced valence electron. These valence electrons gives base current IB. The remaining 98% of the holes pass towards the collector, which gives collector current IC. Almost all holes emitted from emitter will be collected by collector, except very few through the base. That is, we can say that emitter current is always greater than collector current and the base current. In fact, emitter current is equals to collector current IC plus IB base current. So students, this is all about the BJT, bipolar junction transistor, and its type, which are NPN transistor and PNP transistor. We have studied about this. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you.